it's J12 and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the propeller on these 4-channel RC aircraft, i.e. the Cessna 182, the Thunderbolt and the Jaguar 3-channel RC planes. Let's get to it. You see at the front of the plane on the prop where you've got this kind of bolt here holding it on. First thing you need to do in order to access this bolt area is to actually remove the nose cone which slides over the propeller. Once that is done, all you need to do is remove that bolt. Now, all you've got to do is hold the prop and then remove the bolt. Holding the prop. And then just remove the bolt. Okay, so once that is done, all you need to do now is simply slide the propeller off the shaft. Okay, so now you can see the prop has been removed. Okay, so once the propeller is off, all we need to do now is do things in reverse order and replace it. So, first we need to do is slide the prop on there. Okay. And all we're going to do Okay, so that is all there is to it. Thank you very much for watching, and more videos coming soon. youtube.com/J12 is the place to find them. Bye bye.